Monstera Sierrana, unveiling the allure of this unique climber. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Monstera Sierrana, a captivating climber that's stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts. This lesser-known cousin of the popular Monstera deliciosa boasts unique characteristics that set it apart. So, buckle up as we explore the wonders of this botanical gem. What is Monstera Sierrana? The Monstera Sierrana is a specific ecotype, a naturally occurring variation of the Monstera deliciosa. First discovered in 1961 within the Sierra Juarez mountain range of Oaxaca, Mexico, this beauty boasts distinctive features that make it a coveted addition to any plant collection. How can I identify a Monstera Sierrana? Unlike its more common relative, the Monstera Sierrana sports a few key differences that help with identification. Here's a quick guide. Leaf shape. The Sierrana's leaves tend to be smaller than the deliciosa. They showcase shallower lobes at the base and deeper cuts reaching closer to the central vein. Fenestrations. Those characteristic Swiss cheese-like holes, or fenestrations, are present on the Sierrana leaves, but in a more limited fashion. Expect fewer holes, typically arranged in a single row on each side of the midrib. Leaf tip. The Sierrana's leaf tips are generally pointed and curved, adding a touch of elegance to the overall form. Monstera Sierrana versus Monstera deliciosa. While both belong to the Monstera family, these two varieties have their own personalities. Let's break down the key differences. Size. The deliciosa is known for its large, sprawling leaves, while the Sierrana offers a more compact and delicate appearance. Leaf dissection. The deliciosa features deeper cuts that can reach the central vein, creating more pronounced lobes. The Sierrana's cuts are deeper than a standard deliciosa, but not as dramatic. Fenestrations. The deliciosa boasts a higher concentration of fenestrations spread throughout the leaves. The Sierrana displays a more subtle fenestration pattern. Growth habit. Both varieties are climbers, but the deliciosa can grow quite large and require significant support. The Sierrana generally grows at a slower pace and may remain more manageable in size. Monstera Sierrana versus Brazil form. My Sierrana seems like the smaller sibling of my Brazilian Monstera. Its leaves just don't get quite as big, but it makes up for it with drama. Those leaf cuts reach way in towards the center like a spiky star. Monstera Brazil form, on the other hand, is all about the splits. The leaves get nice and big, with deep splits that leave more holes, fenestrations, the plant people call them, throughout. How to care for Monstera Sierrana. Providing the right environment is key to keeping your Monstera Sierrana happy and thriving. Here are some basic care tips. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. Overwatering is a major enemy, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is preferred. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help create a favorable environment. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aeroid mix, or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer during winter. Propagation. Sharing the Monstera Sierrana love. Sharing the beauty of your Monstera Sierrana is easy. Here are two common propagation methods. Stem cuttings. Take a stem cutting with at least one node, where the leaf meets the stem. Plant it in a pot with moist, well-draining soil and provide warmth and humidity. Roots should develop within a few weeks. Air layering. This technique involves encouraging root growth on a stem while it's still attached to the mother plant. Once roots develop, you can detach the new growth and pot it up. Final thoughts. The allure of the Monstera Sierrana. The Monstera Sierrana offers a unique twist on the classic Monstera deliciosa. Its compact size, elegant leaf shape, and subtle fenestrations make it a captivating addition to any indoor space. With proper care and a little patience, you can cultivate this botanical treasure and witness its graceful foliage unfurl. Happy planting!